Fun races. When you hear the word race, what comes to mind? Maybe a swimming race, perhaps a car race. Well, some people think of snails and tin baths.
When my sister asked me to go to a snail race with her, I thought it sounded a little too strange to be real. But a week later, I was in a field sticking a number on a garden snail. We decided to call our snail Lewis, after Formula One's Lewis Hamilton. A farmer sprayed water on a table and shouted, "Ready, steady, slow!" And the snails were off. Sort of. Lewis came third in 3 minutes 35 seconds. The world record is 2 minutes by a snail called Archie in 1995. Hopefully this year's winner enjoyed his prize, a silver cup full of lettuce.
Last summer, my Uncle Tom took part in the Tin Bath Championships in Castletown Harbour on the Isle of Man. I really wanted to watch the race, so he agreed to take me. Uncle Tom found an old tin bath and made some paddles. Just before the race, we decorated his bath with flags and balloons, and he dressed up as a Viking. The winner is the person who crosses the finish line first, or the person who gets the furthest before they sink. It's difficult to stay dry, and although Uncle Tom's bath sank, he still won. It was hilarious.
Do you know any unusual races in your country? What are they like?